How to remove black screen on Capcut PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove black screen on Capcut PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, you have to open the project that you want to work on. I've chosen these videos over here from the Capcut library over here. And once you have the videos, you simply have to just click this black screen over here. Once you add it to the track, just click it, and then you have to come to this video section and scroll down in the video section and find this blend option and turn it on. And now in the drop down over here in the mode, just click this drop down, and here you have to click this screen option. And once you click it, you can see it has removed the black screen, and that's my final result. And that's how you remove black screen on Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.